Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, I hope you can tell that this is a box. It's quite the box. It comes from AliExpress, so this is a surprise unboxing. I was not expecting this quick. So the box is like 18 inches across and about 5.5 inches deep. So I'm going to get it out of this box and I'll come right back and show you what's in it. All right, I am back. I finally got it out of the box. I'm going to move that because I don't think I need that anymore. Yeah, this is the biggest spring box, all-in-one box thing I've ever seen. Let me flip it over. Yeah, it is ginormous. It is 11 count. It is 333 centimeters by 132 centimeters, and it is 1,383 stitches across and 530 stitches up and down. And I'm not sure if we have to do the background or not, or if it's on that, I'm trying to get my scissors on, you know, that brown material or not, but I thought this was stunning. Just stunning. I'm trying to get the plastic off now. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Holy cow. My goodness. Now I got paper attached to me. Alright, let me see if I can open the box some way. Or how it's going to do. Give me a second. Again. Alright, I am back. I did get it out of the box. That was a piece of work. It's like they put the cardboard all the way around the outside of it. And then it had that nice, you know, where it just slips into the box and then you just open it. So I had to dump it all out. But this is the booklet for it. And not sure how many of anything we got. It has a 57-page booklet to it. But I will hold that up so you can see all of it. Isn't that beautiful? It's just got so many nice elements going on. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Now this is the one that I thought I'd ordered, and no. I had to send the other one back, and this is the one that I wanted. So, just absolutely stunning. Let's find out how many colors it has. Where did I see that? When I was looking for the picture. So we have 102 colors, full stitch, and that a total of 102 colors. And it has back stitch and quarter stitch in it. I think that's it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors in back stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 approximately colors in quarter stitches. So that's going to be different. Never did that before. Let's take a look at what we have for colors. We have that 3799, which is the pewter color. We have B5200 for white. I'm not sure why they put them all up on the top. I don't know what these other colors are. I mean, I don't recognize the number. We do, it's all kind of weird. So, because 310 black is all the way down here, so I'm not sure. And those symbols are all the same. It's all in Chinese, except for the part that says full stitch, half stitch, or whatever. So, yeah, it'll be interesting. We can just look at the colors. We do have 666 red. And the color of these squares is the color close to, you know, like it's a blue or it's a red or whatever. Of whatever color it actually is. We have 825. I'm not seeing any 939. This thing's all over the board. We have 995, which is that turquoise color that I like. So we'll just look through it, but beautiful book. And it does have two sets, so the outside set of symbols goes to the canvas. The inside set goes to this paper pattern. Very nice. Very well done, as usual. Yeah. And they put page 57 here on this front page. So yeah, that's quite the booklet. We have an entire bag of 102. And let me get my colors. 102 is 310 black. Couldn't tell if it was 310 black, so there's probably 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 skeins of 310 black. We have some extras, and none of these, oh yeah, some there is. Oh, I thought, oh my God, it's not on thread cards. So these, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of extra threads here, but there are colors on thread cards. I thought, oh my gosh, if I have to go through all this, we're in big trouble. So, let me shake it out. Holy cow. So there's 90, oh, nope, there's the other one. I don't know why they did that. So 98, 99, yeah. So there's your 310 black. Beautiful turquoise, blues, pinks. There's just a rainbow in here. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous colors, lots of pinks. We have 4 needles attached there. It's going to take an extra bag for this one, I think. I'm not real sure. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. There's that turquoise I was telling you about right there. That 995. Beautiful. Just stunning, stunning colors. I think they gave you an extra skein of everything. Let's see if we can wrestle this out. It is on a brown canvas, so I'm thinking you won't have to do the background, which is fine with me. You know how that goes. And my goodness, this thing is ginormous. Ginormous. I need to drink a Coca-Cola. I better move them scissors because these are the heaviest scissors I ever got, you know, from one of the store. Yeah, we try to keep them in a basket somewhere. But beautiful, beautiful tan canvas. And I can't see. Okay, so the, what do you call it? The key runs along the bottom. Let me string this out over here on the couch, and I'll be right back. Right, so I finally got it out on the couch. It is longer than my couch, and I will put in here what the centimeters is to feet and inches. But yeah, it's ginormous. But you do not do the background. But it's very well printed. And I'll pull you in as close as I can so that you can tell. But just stunning. So I think it's going to be gorgeous with all these colors. They're just huge characters. And I like that nice disc thing in the background. It's going to be in golds and browns. So a lot going on here. A lot of big areas to cover. Just huge. Okay, give me a second and I'll show you the other half. All right, this is basically the middle of the picture. Sorry, it's kind of wrinkly, but I have no other place big enough to lay this. Maybe I should have measured the couch before I got something. But very nicely done. And, you know, it might be nice to put some beads up there in those little flowers, bushes or something. So, yeah, you could do whatever you really wanted to. But very, 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 very nice. And I'm thrilled sick I don't have to do that background. Yeah, because that's a lot of space to cover. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. All right, I am back. Holy cow, now that was a task. But I really like this gold thing here. I like all the little elements. I like them playing musical instruments or their costumes. It just had so much going for it. Just absolutely stunning. So it'll be interesting to see how that all turns out. Not sure which side I'm going to start with. But yeah, we're going to start this today. Oh yeah. Today, 1 o'clock, Mountain Standard Time, USA. Yeah, we'll be starting it. Thank you guys for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.